Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to buy Telegram Premium, and now let's dive right in. Now to buy Telegram Premium, guys, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. And on this interface, guys, at the top left corner of the screen, you can see the three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon and you will land on this interface where you can see the settings option available for us just below the saved messages. Now in order to buy the Telegram Premium, tap on settings, and over here on this interface scroll down and you can find the Telegram Premium option available for us over here just below the language. Now in order to proceed, tap on Telegram Premium, and over here you can see all of the services provided by Telegram Premium if you buy it. And at the top of the screen you can see you can either choose it for annually or monthly billing. So choose your annual or monthly billing, and after that tap on the subscribe for per month, which is at the bottom of the screen here, guys. Tap on it and this kind of interface will appear according to your Gmail, guys, where this says the add credit or debit card. Tap on it and this kind of interface will appear where you'll be required to enter your details of your payment card, and after that tap on save and follow all the procedure required from over here. And after that you will have bought your Telegram Premium. By the way, make sure that your debit or credit card has the cash available for your Telegram to be premium. And with that being said, guys, this is the way where you will be able, or how you will be able to buy your Telegram Premium. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.